had medical conditions, you can't get insurance? Well, I know a way you can get $500,000 of tax-free death benefits easy without paying any premiums at all. Reach out to us, subscribe to the channel, reach out to us for some information on this. This is like the best program in the world, especially for people that have medical issues. You haven't been able to get insurance. We can turn $250,000 into $750,000 without you ever having to pay a premium for insurance. And this is really hot, especially if you're trying to come up with money for the kids to pay taxes on your IRA. So subscribe to the channel, stay in touch with us, download our 7 ways to get free life insurance off of our website. I'm Paul Morrow, staying on top of stuff you can get for free. That's just part of the art of being smart.